Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are, people. I'm so excited to be able to present to you one of the newest flyer in the Cash Cow Flyer program. If you're listening for the first time, you're on YouTube. You can see all the flyers at www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. You could give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Hey, give me a thumbs up for the video. Click that subscribe button down there. Okay, thumbs up so we can get all my new updates when I come out with something new, because I have about 5 more flyers that are going to be presenting that's hot and new and ready to go. Okay. Also, share this video with someone you know, love, and care about, someone that's been borrowing money from you. This is a way for them to make some money. Now, I'm talking about you working from home, no computer needed. I say that again. No computer is needed. Work on your spare time, full or part-time. I'm going to show you this is one of the easiest money you will ever make from home. Mailing this simple pink elephant 500 flyer, people. I'm talking about getting response in about 7 to 10 days. I want you to imagine this. Just imagine for a minute. You get started with this flyer and you can make up to $50,000 in 1 year, full or part-time. Just imagine 10 people helping you send out your flyer. 10 people get started with you, okay? They sending out flyers, you sending out flyers. And 10 people getting $500 and 5 books of stamps. That's 5K, people. Right there, 5K. All right, now, this is how it works. When you get started, okay, what they're gonna do is your name is gonna go into box number 2. I'm gonna show you that below in a second, okay? So your name, your address, if you want your phone number, we can add your phone number, we can add your email, or your company name and address can go in box number 2. And all you do is keep mailing this hot money making pink elephant 500 flyer. All right, you're gonna get $500 cash and 5 books of stamps. Now, I added the stamps to this because now you don't have to worry about postage. Okay, you get some people started with you. Let's say, like I said, that those 10 people that got started, that's 1,000 stamps that you can send another 1,000 flyers to. Can you imagine the return on that? Oh, this is phenomenal. All right, now when you get started, what I'm going to send to you, I'm going to send you my mailbox cash money marketing kit. In this marketing kit, I have where I get my stamps from 35 to 39 cents. You hear that? 35 to 39 cents. These are those 55-cent stamps. Okay. 500 hot buyer leads. These are people ready, willing to spend money, and you having access to them when you get started with the pink elephant 500. Also, what I'm going to give you is a 1 8-day 7-night mini vacation. You get there, we're going to take care of your hotel accommodations. I'm talking about 4 or 5-star hotels, people. This is phenomenal. All the stuff that you're getting. Look, a lot of those other programs out there, all you're going to get is maybe some leads and maybe a marketing kit. Look what we're giving you. Marketing kit. 500 hot bar leads. A 8-day 7-night vacation. Now look at this, people. $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Of your choice. You can't lose with the coupons that you choose. And as a bonus, what I'm going to give you when you get started with the pink Elephant 500 is $1,000 in fast food restaurant and restaurant coupons of your choice. Can you imagine Dairy Queen, Wendy's, Arby's, Papa John, Quiznos, El Chico's, Olive Garden, oh man, Popeyes, Wendy's, McDonald's, Dairy Company, so many people. Now right here, you're also going to get my personal coaching from me. That's right, I'm going to mentor you, I'm going to teach you and train you. All I need you to do is be teachable and coachable and listen to what I say, even if you feel it's something you already know. Okay? Because that marketing kit is nothing to play with, people. Look, how about a place where you could send 100,000 of your flyers, two-sided, for $155, people. 50,000 of your flyers for $55. That means they're taking care of the shipping, they're taking care of the handling, they're taking care of the postage. All you do is mail your money order, US Postal money order, to them with your flyers, the 2 flyers that you want. Wait and watch the money come ringing in. People, it's nothing like this. Personal coaching from me. All you do is give me a call, 832-906-6411. What I'm going to discuss with you is your budget. What do you have to spend on your marketing? I'm going to show you how to make that work for you. Look, in the marketing kit, look, I have places online where you could post pre-written ads that I already wrote and tested. See, mailing the flyer to the leads is just part of the business. It's about 50% of it. There's other ways to market that's going to help explode, but people, it's all in the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. All in the marketing kit, where I could get envelopes stuffed with my flyer in it, sent to me, and all I have to do is put my lead and my stamp on there and send it myself. All in this marketing kit, people. How about 1,000 for $180? Okay, now this is how you get started. You're gonna mail $500 and 5 books of stamps to Champion Discount. Okay. When you send that, your name, your address, or your company name and address, again, if you want your phone number, we can add your phone number, we can add your email right here in box number 2. And all you have to do is consistently mail out this flyer to the 500 people from the leads. Also in the marketing kit is where I get my leads. And here's the other good thing. Have you noticed? Everyone gets paid the same. That $500 that goes to the company and 5 books of stamps also go to you. $500, 5 books of stamps to you. Not like some of them other companies out there where this company would get 800 and you get 200. It doesn't make sense to me because everyone's doing the same thing, mailing a flyer. So the way God told me to do it was pay everyone the same. Everyone gets the same. And here's the good thing. Nothing money comes from the company. The people that get started with you here, they're the one that's sending $500 and 5 books of stamps to Champion. They're the one that's sending $500 and 5 books of stamps to you. Each time someone gets started, people, they're helping, supporting the prison ministry. That's the whole reason I'm doing this. I'm a comedian. I was traveling the country, okay, going into the prisons, making them laugh, having fun, associating with them, fellowshipping with them. I was running out of money, didn't know what to do because that's my calling. That's my purpose in life. Got online, saw a gentleman, a reverend that had a flyer, $10 flyer, okay? Cashed up him $10. He emailed me the flyer, got started. I made like $150, less than $200, and I was mad. I was mad at God. And he asked me why are you mad at me? I'm not a respected person. You could do the same thing. That's when the Cash Cow Flyer programs was created. Started off with 3. But we're up to 25 now. 25 hot, amazing flyers that will put mailbox cash money in your pocket. Look, if you do nothing, you get nothing. Aren't you tired of being broke? Hey, now you could do something about it. You can have cash money coming in your mailbox now because you're taking action. And right now, looking at this flyer, you have first movers advantage. You have an opportunity to be on this flyer first. Okay? So now, I want to thank you for taking time out of your schedule to view the opportunity here with the Pink Elephant 500. Okay? Again, go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Okay, give me a call, 832-906-6411. I look forward to working with you and helping turn your dreams into a reality, because your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get, people. It's time for you to make a change in your life for the better. And this is that amazing opportunity for you to do such a thing. Okay? Because look, now, what you think you become. What you feel you will attract. What you imagine you will create. Now, I want you to think. I want you to imagine. And I want you to get started so we can help create financial wealth for you. Imagine money coming in your mailbox. Imagine sending your flyers to people and they're coming from the north, south, east, and west, ready to spend money and get started with you in business, because you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Again, you go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. You can see all of the flyers there. There's about another 24 flyers there. We have a total of like 25 now. There's something that fits everyone's income. Okay? Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. The Pink Elephant and others are waiting for you. Have a great day. God bless.